guys, I'm back today with another video. This one is going to be brought to you by the company NadulaHair, and this wig that I'm showing you guys today is their 13x4 brown straight wig with highlights. This one is in the length 24 inches. This one also comes with your standard cap construction of 1 comb in the back, 2 combs on the side, and your adjustable strap. Now I am going to be making a few customizations before I put this on my head. The first thing that I'm going to start off doing is adding my tint spray because the lace is a little bit light. So I'm going to go in with my medium brown tint spray from the company Ebin, New York, and I will be spraying 2 coats. So I only wanted to put a light coat first because I wanted to see how it was going to look, and then I ended up going in with another coat. And I'm just blow drying this on cool, and you really want to make sure that this tint is dried all the way down so it doesn't transfer on your skin. Now that the tint is dried down, I'm going to go in with my heat protecting spray. I'm just going to spray this throughout the hair, and I'm going to apply some wax around the hairline. This hairline is pre-plucked. Now I am going to end up just kind of lightly plucking a little bit more out, but not really going heavy on it, just because I feel like it looked good already and I didn't want to take too much out. Plus I knew I was going to pull out a little bit of hairs once I put it on. The hot comb I am using is from Kendras boutique. I love this hot comb. It has definitely held up without any issues, and it gets the job done. This one goes all the way up to 500 degrees. So I'm going to make sure that I leave a link down below in case you guys are interested. I'm pulling a little bit of hair out so that I can get ready to pluck that one side. Now, I did end up plucking the other side off of camera, but I really didn't want to focus on the plucking just because I really only lightly plucked out a little bit more. It just didn't need to be heavily plucked, and I definitely feel like it's going to look better. Of course, if you guys want a detailed plucking video, I can definitely give you one. I am not the queen of plucking, but I think I can do a little something. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and prep the hair to flat iron. Now, once again, this length is 24 inches, and I am going to be using my Babyliss Flatiron. Of course, if you want a more affordable flat iron, I highly recommend the Kipozi. Not going to break the bank, plus it's going to get the job done. It's just a thicker flat iron that I love to use when I am rocking straight hair or like kinky straight textures, because it works just as well. It just wasn't in the room with me at this time. So as you guys can see, I am going over some of the hair more than one time just to make sure that it gets nice and sleek. And I noticed a little bit of flyaways, but of course I'm going to put my serum into the hair, so I'm not really going to worry about it. Now, when I got to the front section by the highlight, I did have to kind of flat iron a little bit more towards the ends, just because on one side it seemed like a little bit dry. So I had to go over it just to make sure that it was going to be straight, and I ended up just cutting a little piece off on the one side. The other side was fine, but I just did notice a little dryness when it got towards the end. So now that I am done styling it, I am going to just go ahead and place this on my head. Now, if you are new to my channel, guys, please make sure to hit the subscribe button if you like what you see so far. And also, if you are subscribed to my channel, please make sure to turn those notifications on, because you do not want to miss out on any of my videos. So I'm going to be using my olive oil fix it whole spray today to melt the lace down, and then I'm going to be taking my blow dryer and using it on the cool setting. This is going to help kind of speed up the process, and I like to blow dry on cool just because it is not harsh on my contacts. Yes, it ain't as harsh on my contacts, and I don't have to worry about it messing with my eyes. So I'm just gonna pull the lace over the area where I sprayed it, and then taking my rat tail comb just to press the lace down in the front so I don't have to worry about it lifting up. And then I did have to touch up the sides by my ears. Now, Now, of course, if you are not a fan of baby hairs, you can definitely skip this step and just go ahead and add your powder into the parting space area or into the hairline, and you're gonna be good. But of course, I had to be a little bit of extra, and I felt like it just needed a little bit more. So I'm just gonna trim those hairs down shorter just to go ahead and prepare for my baby hairs. I'll be using this new product called Baby Hair Goo. This is from Char's website. If you guys don't know, she is a YouTuber, and I wanted to try this product because her baby hairs are always laid, and I've always wanted to know exactly what it is that she is using. So she now sells this product. I'll go ahead and make sure to leave a link down below for this in case you guys are interested. But so far so good. I haven't noticed any type of flakiness. It goes on really well, and it is not super shiny, and I love the hold of it because it doesn't make the baby hairs look hard and crunchy. I'm gonna go around the hairline once more with this Hotcomb just to make sure that everything is nice and pressed out and super sleek. Of course, this is a straight unit and it's in the middle part, so I don't want to see any lumps or bumps. I just really like a flat install. And then I'm gonna go around the hairline and into the parting space just to kind of open it up a little bit more and make it look a little bit more natural. Now, this lace was a little bit on the thicker side, so I felt like powder was just needed to make it not as noticeable in the front area, and as you guys can see, it did the job. So I'm definitely gonna add my serum in because we want this, of course, to be nice and sleek and to protect the hair from the frizziness and the flyaways. So guys, this is the final look, and I think she came out really cute. I feel like the color is not doing too much. It's just like a peekaboo, a hint, just something to pop out and say hey, but not going overboard and not too dramatic. So yes, this hair looks good straightened out, but I want to see what it looks like if I added some wand curls. So we're going to do some really quick curls just to kind of take this from a day look to a night look, or you can just rock the curls all day long if you wanted to. But as you guys can see, it is looking good so far. Now, these curls are not going to be perfect and sectioned and uniform, but enough for you to kind of get the idea. Yes, these curls are definitely coming together, and I love the way that that highlight is looking with these curls. So I'm gonna go off of camera and go ahead and just add a little bit more serum just because I don't want this to get any more frizzier since I've been messing with it. Not too much serum because I don't want the hair to get heavy and feel weighed down. And then I'm also gonna go in with my big brush and just kind of brush out the curls. Now, of course, if you want to keep them a little bit more defined, you can just use your fingers to pick them apart, but I like mine brushed out and a little bit messy. So this is what it is looking like now. Guys, let me know if you like the straight or the curled hair. If you are interested in this unit, I'm gonna make sure to leave the link down below. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Once again, turn those notifications on, share and like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.